Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my hair journey. First step, you want to take this red pimento hair growth oil from Tropic Isle, and you want to make sure that you place it all over your scalp, if not only in the areas where you need it the most. I personally need it on top of my head mostly, and that's where I'm putting it right now. So just a personal tip, you want to make sure that you make the hole of the bottle a little bit bigger, just because the oil is pretty thick, and if you don't do that, it can take a little bit of you squeezing the bottle pretty hard just to get the oil to come out. So just a quick tip there. This oil helps to stimulate your hair growth, and it has worked wonders with my hair. Now just make sure that you massage that oil into your scalp. This next step, we're going to be using Jamaican black castor oil, and it is from the same brand. This not only helps with your hair growth, but it also helps with damaged hair. So it helps us ladies that love to use our heating tools. It just gives it a little bit of more moisture. Now you want to make sure that you pour this all over your scalp, and the oil is pretty thick. So every time you pour, just make sure that you are massaging it and spreading it all over your scalp. I have seen the improvement using this oil. You can obviously tell that my hair is thin and I still have certain bald spots, but I have seen so much improvement, and trust me, it takes time, but just use this consistently and you're going to see the difference. I'm going to try and see if I can just put some pictures in this video, so just so you can see the improvement of it all. In the front, I am pretty thin haired, and my hairline was going pretty back, and now I have so many little hairs and baby hairs that it's growing so much. So I not only use it for my head, I use it for my eyebrows, and I use it for my eyelashes. It's just so beneficial for hair growth. So next, you're gonna want to pour just a little bit, especially if you have thin hair like I do, and put it all over your ends and just all over your hair. I just really go all in with this product. And now I make sure that I massage it one more time just to make sure that I get it warm, and I get it, I just feel like it helps to get the oil started. Next, we're going to be using coconut oil, and I'm pretty sure you've heard about the benefits of coconut oil. So it not only does it help your hair grow, but it also helps to moisturize your hair and your split ends and all that yucky stuff. So most people put it in a bowl and they heat it up on the microwave just for a few seconds. I personally just like to use the palm of my hand because it just melts the oil away, and I start with my ends and then I just work my way up to my scalp. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I did buy this product on Amazon and it was around $20. It is so worth it. You want to make sure that you do this treatment at least once a week, consistently. You can either sleep with it or do it like I'm doing it right now and leave it on for about an hour. I make sure that I put my hair up in a bun, and I just go about my day and do my chores around the house with my hair like this. And sometimes I go over an hour, so it doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure that you keep it on for a little bit. Now that we're done, this next step is completely optional. You're going to wash your hair and you're going to use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps to unclog the follicles in your hair, and another benefit that I've found, it helps to prevent your hair from getting oily faster. So So you want to make sure that you pour some drops on the palm of your hand and then just put it all over your scalp. Lastly, we're going to use Argan Oil. This helps to promote healthy hair. So for thin and brittle hair, you want to make sure that you put some drops on the palm of your hand and work from your ends to the root of your hair. And that's it, guys. Definitely my hair has come a long way. It's not where I want it to be, but it's definitely improved, and I hope that this helps you guys, all of you who are suffering from hair loss like me, and I motivate you to start your journey. Just be sure that you're consistent, and remember, it's a journey. So as you can see on my baby hairs, that's all brand new hair that has grown in. So that's why my hair looks a lot thicker on the top than it does on the bottom. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope that I motivate one of you to start your hair journey. Let me know if you want a more detailed video, and I will tell you all about my journey. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.